This warning has been issued by the Toledo State Police Department. This is an update to the civil danger warning issued on October 29, 2025. The invasion has started. Hallows terror has managed to create massive hordes of pumpkin creatures. We have estimated them to be around 1 million, but there could be more. The first wave has started right at midnight. We recommend everyone who are watching this broadcast to run away as the mist is expanding rapidly. If your home has been already surrounded with a mist, do not exit your only shelter. Lock your doors and windows. Make sure that the mist won't enter inside. If you are already surrounded by the mist, do not call the Anomaly Research Facility anymore, as they cannot assist you now. No one can. We are sorry, but we are barely holding them off, but they keep pushing us further and further. There is too many of them. If you are still not surrounded by the mist, we highly recommend leaving the state until further notice. If you see any zombie-like pumpkins appearing on the ground, burn them on sight if possible. If you can't burn them, then destroy them with any means necessary. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and good luck, as you'll need it.